Good morning students. Today we will discuss chapter number 9 of class 6, the living organism and their surrounding. As students, we know number of living organisms like plant, animal and microorganism living around us in a environment. So that environment make their surroundings. So in this chapter we will discuss a few terms related to these topics. First one is habitat. What is beta habitat? Habitat is a place where that organism live, and from that habitat what they get, and or you can say what things that habitat provide to them. That habitat provide them food, shelter and favorable environment or climatic condition for their breeding. Breeding means that it's a process of giving a birth to a new young ones from the parents. Next thing types of habitat. Generally there are three type of habitat. First one is terrestrial. You can say terrestrial, another name is land habitat. An example of that forest, mountain area where that living organism live. Second one aquatic. Aquatic term is related to water, means the habitat which include sea, lakes in which organism live. Third one is arboreal. Arboreal means the organism's habitat which is air or a tree, means organism live on tree, that is arboreal. Okay beta. Second thing we will discuss in that component of habitat. What are the components? There are generally two type of component of habitat, that is biotic and abiotic. Biotic term related to living beings, means that include plant, animal, microorganism, and abiotic include non-living environment which surround them like soil, water, okay, light, these things. So in this chapter we will read that things in detail. One by one we will read that topics in detail here. First one habitat. As we have discussed, all living organisms need a place to live in addition to food and water and air, and that place where organisms live, that is called their habitat. Okay, so habitat must provide to the organism following things: food, shelter, favorable climatic condition to survive, breed and flourish. Flourish means for survival, to give them food. Next thing, type of habitat. Generally three type of habitat are in biosphere. Biosphere term, that biosphere include all things: hydrosphere also, lithosphere also, atmosphere also. Means in that there are only three type of habitats. First one terrestrial, related to land, and we have discussed examples of that: forest, mountain. Another one grassland, desert, coastal region. Coastal region next to sea, that region is next to sea. Next is aquatic habitat or water habitat, a sea, lake, river, ponds that forms that aquatic habitat. Aerial or arboreal habitat, like aerial in air or arboreal on tree, that example of that forest. Next in detail we will discuss one by one these habitats and the component of habitat. Terrestrial, the organism that live, grow and propagate on land are called terrestrial organisms, and their habitat is called terrestrial habitat or land habitat. Example of the organism: man, tiger, tree are the terrestrial organisms. Second is aquatic. Aquatic the organism that live or breed in water only, that are called aquatic organism, and their habitat is called aquatic habitat. Example: fish, whale are aquatic organism, and ocean, sea, river are their aquatic habitat. Third is arboreal habitat. The organism that use tree for their activities are known as arboreal organisms. All birds such as eagle, swallow, etc. are the arboreals. The organism which use both water and land as their habitat, they are called amphibians, like frog, crocodile, bryophyte. Bryophyte come under plants. Okay, and these are called amphibians of plant kingdom, bryophytes. Okay. Next thing beta, what is micro habitat? Micro means small, small region within a habitat with special geographical climatic conditions to suit certain organism only better than other is called microhabitat. Okay, only this definition we will do from here. Next thing is beta, component of habitat. Generally there are two component of habitat. One is biotic component, second is abiotic. Biotic means beta living, all living beings such as human being, animal, plant, micro, they are called biotic components. Biotic components are also called living components. Second is abiotic, all non-living components of environment such as soil, water bodies, atmosphere, meteorological factors such as sunlight, temperature, rainfall, wind speed, they all are the abiotic component or the non-living component of habitat.